All right, guys, so we're going to take a run. Now, I don't normally do this, but we have tried McMurray Hatchery multiple times, and I've given up. So, looks like we're going to have to go to our backup, which we try not to do. And a lot of you might have a problem with it, but hey, we need to have chickens.
Yep.
So that's what we're going to get. So come along for the ride with us. We're going to get Amy some chickens. Bok, bok.
Alright, so we are back from the store and we got 12 chickens. We have 2 guineas, 3 Americanas, 3 of something else that we don't remember what it is, and 4 sapphire blues. All of them lay blue or green eggs, so I'm very excited about that, except for the guineas. I think the guineas are white.
Yeah.
And they're smaller. So we have their little pen set up here. This is what we're going to use for a brooder. And we've got their food and water in there, so I'm going to pull them out and stick them in. And here's their little box.
Now, unfortunately, guys, we hate to say this, but we have tried with McMurray Hatchery many a times to get stuff, and they're always out. So we had to do, the thing we did want to do is we went to Tractor Supply.
Yep.
Now, we're kind of boycotted somewhat of Tractor Supply. And, well, don't let them jump out. Put them in there.
I know.
Set them in there. Set the whole thing in there.
Oh, good idea.
Now you can take them out.
Then I can take it.
Yep.
Okay, no pasty butt. You should know where the water is.
Now you gotta dip the little mouth in it.
I know.
So, what Amy's doing too is now we got them, she's checking them for pasty butt.
No pasty butt.
And she's showing them where the water's at.
Oh, nice big stretch there.
Now, this isn't the first time we've had chicks, so we've had many chicks.
No pasty butt.
But you guys seen this cage that we're using right now in the greenhouse, because greenhouse holds temperature very well. It is now 90 degrees in here right now, which is perfect for the chicks. I think they'll do very well on their own. I don't think we have to worry about them too much.
You can already hear the guineas.
Yep, they're already making the noise. They're very loud.
This is one of the guineas. It's okay. No pasty butt.
Is that all of them?
That's all of them.
Alright.
That's good. Walk around your food.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. He's got that. She has got white toes.
Yeah. They're all thirsty. They're all drinking some water.
Yep. But they all look healthy.
They're all healthy and happy.
Nobody has pasty butt.
No pasty butts, good pasty butt.
That one right there is traumatized. It's just in there. Like, if I'm still, nobody will see me.
Hopefully he's alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Well, hopefully we don't come in here in the morning and see little chicks running all over the thing. That would
I don't
be
think
good.
we'll see any chicks running around.
No.
They can't get through the bars. They're not that smart.
Famous last words.
Yeah.
Well, so we now have some new chicks. Our goal is every year we want to get some more chicks. We do want to have our own. But we don't have a way to incubate them right now, so we're going to go ahead and buy these.
Next
And
year we will be incubating.
Next year we'll be incubating our own. But this year we wanted to go ahead and buy some chicks. We will be incubating our own so that every year we have a new flock of chickens that we're replenishing. And that's because our first chickens we got in 2020, so those chickens have pretty much... We still have 7 left from that dozen.
Yeah.
And those chickens have pretty much run their life cycle. I mean, they are laying very sporadically now. And our Buckeyes now are 2 years old. And so they are starting to lay sporadically as well. So you really need to keep your egg production up through the winter. You need to have new chicks every year. And so, like I said, next year we plan on incubating our own. So that will help keep our flock and egg production up. So now we got more chicks, and I'll have fun coming out here and watching them and feeding them and watering them and playing with them. I do plan on handling these chicks more than I did the other chicks because they don't. I want to be able to, go out and pick them up and, pet them. I think that's the one that was picking at me. Alright, well, now we have new chicks and we're gonna do some more work today. So thank you for watching, and keep watching our chicken adventures.
Yep.
So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the notification bell so you find out when we have more videos posted. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.